Good evening, everyone. My name is Stacey Ann. I will be doing my field practicum at a non-for-profit social services organization that provides services to the intellectual and developmentally disabled population. I will be working in their community health department. What do I expect from field? I am excited and I'm somewhat a little nervous because I really don't know what to expect, but my goal is to really learn a lot and apply all the knowledge and skills that I've learned so far in my different courses to real life experiences. What has me most excited? I guess I can say I'm most excited to um, finally start, considering the fact that I was supposed to have started since May, but uh, was delayed due to different things, including the pandemic. What has me most concerned? I guess I am most concerned about the uncertainty of everything that is happening right now with the pandemic. And however, I am prepared to give it my best shot and face each and every challenge with confidence. What is my plan for managing my excitement and concerns? I guess my plan is to stay focused and organize my schedule in a way so that I won't feel too overwhelmed, and I will just continue to devise ways to use my time to manage my time wisely and just to do a great job overall. I am looking forward to this experience and I am looking forward to learning from my peers and also my instructors. And I wish everyone the very best. Thank you. Bye.